Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert icons in Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to bring up and open Microsoft Excel first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank workbook, or if you already have your document, simply open that. Now here at the ribbon, you will find all these tabs and you will find the insert tab. So all you have to do is click on the insert tab. And here you will find all these options. But what we can do is we need to choose this one, icons. So simply click on illustrations and then you will find icons. Now, once you click on icons, you will find all the icons available in your Microsoft Excel. You have for education, vehicles, animals, faces, business, body parts, tools. Now, let me go with education. And here, you just need to simply click on the icon that you want to insert into your Microsoft Excel. And then you will have this option, insert. And then you just need to wait for this to be inserted. Now we have this icon. You can also resize this by increasing these small circles. You can also put some color in it. You can also change it from here for the graphic styles. So it's up to you. Anyway, you have learned how you can insert an icon in Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.